In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pay Supplier using Melio. Once you are signed in and on your main Melio dashboard, you are going to start a new payment. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click Plus New Payment. This is the button Melio uses anytime you want to create a payment, so it is a good one to remember. After you click it, you may see another option to click Plus New Payment again. Go ahead and click Plus New Payment to continue into the payment setup. Melio sometimes shows this second prompt depending on where you are in the app, and it simply moves you forward to the creation flow. Next, choose Add Payment Manually. This option is used when you are entering the payment details yourself, instead of importing a bill from accounting software. It is a straightforward method, and it works well if you have an invoice in front of you and just need to pay your supplier. Now enter the supplier name and the amount. For the supplier name, type the business or contact name exactly as you want it to appear in your payment records. For the amount, enter the total you intend to pay. Take a moment to double-check the digits before moving on, especially if you are paying a large invoice or paying multiple invoices separately. Accurate entry here helps prevent delays and reduces the chance of needing to cancel and recreate the payment. When you are ready, click Continue to Pay. This takes you to the payment method and scheduling section. Select your bank account. Make sure you choose the account you want the funds to come from, since this is the source Melio will use to withdraw the payment amount. Then select Bank Transfer, ACH. ACH is a standard bank-to-bank transfer option and is commonly used for supplier payments because it is reliable and easy to track. After that, select the delivery date. This is the date you want the payment delivered to your supplier. Choose a date that aligns with your invoice terms and gives enough time for processing, especially if you are paying close to a due date. Finally, click Confirm and Schedule. This final confirmation schedules the payment based on the details you entered, including the supplier, amount, funding bank account, ACH transfer method, and delivery date. And that is all there is to it.